HFC Stadium. And you see that's a big boost to the students. You can see the atmosphere, the environment, and the whole of Draiba students, 760 students around. And we are so thankful to the Drua franchise for accepting our invitation. Just imagine, from Nosori Super Corridor, there are a lot of schools there. Now they're surprised. When I put this onto the Bible page this morning, they're surprised. And they're surprised that the Drua team were here this morning. So it will be a big boost to the students, especially that this Saturday the Super Kachi will officially open their Kachi competition here at Masli. So it will be a big boost to the students, and also, you know, like seeing them watching them TV screen, playing Drua there in Lotoka. Unfortunately, they can't get here. And also, we are thankful to the Drua management for giving us the tickets for the students to cheer for the women's, Fijian, and the Drua team tomorrow. Thanks so much. Thank you. Play in front of their home crowd will be a big boost. Will be a big boost. You know, come to the semi-final stage. It's not easy. And also to the Western Force, especially they are coming here for the Drua Day. You know that the Fijian are watching them last couple of games. Hope that they can make it. They're good. They have got like a good pack, like from those who are playing in front out there. And also they got like some fast backline. They can utilize them during their open play rugby tomorrow at the National Stadium, HFC Stadium. Sorry. Very good. Drua men's team. You know that I found out that that boy who's going to play in the first 5-8. From my experience, he can make it because he's part of the Super Grammar team in the under-17 last 2 years. He was also part of the Drua visit last year. He came here and we had a talk. He's going to play well tomorrow. I think most of the public and most of the rugby followers, they will underestimate this boy. From my side, he's going to show himself that he's a true Kaitele. He's a true Kaitele. We're going to play well tomorrow. That first 5-8. One in the nail. Bilan nila ni guys tawar to na warikan matakan.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, what's in the box? See.
It's so new and fresh!
Looks better, eh?
This is everything I could have ever wanted.
What you looking at? Oh, you're gonna have to find out.